like to thank each and every one of you for being here tonight.
Let's enjoy each other's company, share stories, and create memories that remind us why we do what we do.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for being part of this incredible team we call the 20four7va family. Tonight, we celebrate you.
Welcome to Virtual Ties, Real Connections. Today marks another cherished in-person gathering, bringing us together from all corners.
I would definitely recommend 20four7va. So 20four7va develops strong, reliable connection with all the VAs. They can give you more jobs and upskills for you in the future.
I'm a mother. I worked with the corporate world before. There's no one taking care of my kids, so I stepped down and start my career as a virtual assistant. I believe that 24VA really helped us.
What I love about working at 20four7va is that, you get to work independently, you have the autonomy, but at the same time, you're part of this supportive community that's ready to help anytime.
With 24/7 VA, they are actually the most supportive company that I've been with. It impacted me as a mom. This actually gave me enough time to take care of my son and also give my best at work.
It's a work from home setup. I don't have to travel to work anymore. We are getting paid weekly, so I don't have to worry about the close to payday dilemma.
I decided to pursue the career because it gives me the opportunity to chase my passion even further.
24/7 helped me achieve the personal goal for me to have more time for myself and for my family.
It's not easy to find a company like 24/7. I can definitely assure everyone you'll never go wrong with 24/7.
You are the reason that 24/7 is what it is. And you will be the reason for what 24/7va becomes tomorrow. Here's to a wonderful evening. Here's to what we've accomplished so far. And here's to a brighter future we will build together. Cheers.
Let's go.